Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to allow everyone to add you to WhatsApp groups. In today's digital age, staying connected with friends, family, and colleagues is easier than ever, thanks to platforms like WhatsApp. However, managing who can add you to group chats can sometimes be a bit tricky. If you're looking to open up your group chat settings and let anyone add you to their groups, this guide is perfect for you. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're inside the app, you'll notice a menu icon at the top right corner. This icon looks like 3 dots stacked vertically. Tap on it to access more options. Next, you'll see a list of settings and features. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a broader range of options where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Now, tap on Privacy. This section is crucial for controlling who can see your information and interact with you on WhatsApp. Scroll down through the privacy settings until you find the Groups option. This is where you can decide who can add you to group chats. Under the Groups section, you'll see 3 options: Everyone, My Contacts, and My Contacts Except. If you want to allow anyone to add you to a group, simply select Everyone. This setting means that anyone, whether they're in your contact list or not, can add you to a WhatsApp group. By choosing Everyone, you're essentially opening up your group chat settings to the public. This can be particularly useful if you're part of large communities or social networks where you want to be easily accessible. However, remember that this setting also means you might receive invitations to groups you're not interested in, so use it wisely. That's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp settings to allow everyone to add you to their groups. This simple tweak can enhance your social interactions and make it easier for others to connect with you on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.